Hey everyone, it's Grandma Outdoors 56 and we are walking 100 days. Today is day 39. Today is day 39. And we are walking in Canada. We stayed an extra day. It was wonderful. The channel is Grandma Outdoors 56 and my name is Penny. And we are walkers. Let's walk. If there's anybody out there that's walking, please leave a comment below. Let me know what your walking routine is and a channel I might be able to watch to see what you're doing. And enjoy our trip together. So it's 4:25 or so, and we are again walking in Canada. I wish I had another path to show you, but it's kind of the same path, but we're going to walk a different direction. We're going to try to get to the second pond on the backside. So we are on our way. I'm not carrying my pack. I just have my little fanny pack. Hoping to see Henry again. I brought Henry some corn. So hopefully he'll be around. Oh, this dried up a little bit. Not dried up. But we had an awesome day. We went into Brockville and did some thrifting. My sister and my brother are big into thrifting. And that's what we did. I don't know if I can get through this. I did it. So that's what we did. We went thrifting. We did some shopping, and we had some ice cream. Went to Dairy Queen. It was great. We had a great time today, though. We had a really good time. It was rainy when it started out, but we zipped right along, and I think we were in like 5 or 6 stores. I lost count after a while. I'm not the shopper. I just kind of hang out. I hold bags. I do kind of things, some things like that. I did today look for some souvenirs for the kids and stuff. And yesterday I did buy some other gifts and things, but it's been a wonderful trip. It was just what I needed. I needed to get away and just be me. And so it was really nice. Where are you, Henry? If we go that way, let's go this way. So we're going to go left. I mean right. We went left. That's where Henry is. And maybe we'll see him a little bit later. Something out here scratching. Some turkeys. But we can walk this way and then go down and walk down the fence line. It'd be nice to get on the other side of the pond. Jim's so funny, he tells me, you can walk anywhere. He's right, I really can walk anywhere. The water holes have filled up again. I keep hearing something. I don't know what it is. There's something out here. And it keeps making noises. I don't know what it is. This is dried up a little bit. I don't know if it's dried up. I think I was able to jump it. We did it. I want to try to get the fence line. I have to come to the gate first. So we're backtracking a little bit because I am not so familiar with that trail. So we're gonna go up here and check out the bus. This is a landmark that Jim told me about, which is up here. A little bit of water. I think we can get around it though. A little moss. Hopefully we don't sink. There we go. So there's the bus. We can't ride the bus. There it is. The old bus. I don't know what's in it. Don't want to know what's in it. There's some wood stacked underneath. Looks like there's dishes in there. All kinds of things. Old mattress. Suppose you could hunker down there if you had to. I'm not sure I would with the mice and everything. Lots of animal signs. What? Oh, there goes a bird of some sort. I don't know if we caught that. But this is Jim's hunting area. Listen to that. Listen to that. sure. There we go. This is kind of a swampy area. It's kind of cool. But we're not going to go into it. We're going to turn around and go back out to the path. Really rocky and rooty. Rocky and rooty. But it's a great hike nonetheless. Try to stay over here up high a little bit. Go back out to the trail. See. Sounds like a so much noise. So much noise. Okay, this will take us back down on the trail. We could have bushwhacked, but there's no sense when there's a nice trail. This is a tree noise. I don't know what that noise is. Here's lots of noises. I heard a interesting thud, 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 thud. And I couldn't decipher what it was. It's kind of following me. That must have been the owl right there. Not sure if you can see. We scared him out. That might be my path right there to the creek. Whatever it is, it's following me. This goes to the creek. Pretty sure. Hear the owl. This really is. Oh, the creek's down there. Oh, here's the owl. Where'd I go? Right over here. See the holes. Let's back up a minute. See the woodpecker holes. I don't know what it is that's out there. Let's walk across here. I can really hear them. So out here is the creek. I think we can cross the creek here. There's the owl. It's so wet. So it's so wet here. There's really nowhere to go unless you slog through. I can go this way either. I wish I got on that side. No. See that? Whatever that's making that noise has followed me. Lots of bugs. Lots of bugs. There he is again. Can you see her? There she is. There she is. There she is. She's looking for it. She's looking for food. There's Henry. Or Henrietta. She's so cool. She's so cool. Let's see if we can get around. There she is. That's Henry. I don't know if it's Henry or Henrietta. She's hard to see when she gets far away. Sure. There she is. She's ruffling her feathers. All right, guys, this is the end of day 39. I can't tell you how much fun it's been hiking up here. I've got lots of plans now. I'm going to come back and even if I sleep in my tent outside here at my brother's and do some hiking of the trails up here. Henry's made my day. I got to feed him and we hung out there for a little bit. It was really cool. That's 2 days. 2 days of Henry. She, I don't know if it's a he or she, but she tries to follow me. But I really hope you guys have a wonderful day. Enjoy the pictures of the creek and the pond. I think I saw the ducks, but I couldn't get very close. It's just so wet. I need waders in order to get in closer to see anything. So maybe that'll be a walk for another time when it dries up a little bit. But looking so forward to it. You guys all have a wonderful night. And may God bless.